Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to set up, use and care for the Xiaomi Mijia Mop Pro. Watch the video until the end to find out how to get your robot vacuum up and ready. In the box, we have the three essential parts of the Mijia Mop Pro: the robot vacuum, a charging base, a dust tank and a water tank. Next, we have the accessories: a power adapter, two side brushes, two mop cloths, one mop bracket and a user manual. Now, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the robot, charging dock and the power cord. Plug the power cord into the charging dock and the other end into a wall outlet. Make sure you turn on the switch. Place the charging dock on a flat surface and make sure there is 0.5 meter clearance from the sides of the charger and 1.5 meter clearance from the front of the charger to ensure your robot is able to return home safely. We suggest you to tie the excess wires for better management. Long press the power button for about 3 seconds until a white indicator light on the robot lights up, and place the robot on a charging dock for charging. Battery level indicator may show either white, battery level is more than 15, or orange, battery level is less than 15, according to your robot's battery level. We recommend you to charge your robot up to 8 hours for the first time. You can now download the Xiaomi Home app and connect your robot. Search Xiaomi Home in the App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code below, then download and install the app. When it has been fully downloaded, open the app and agree to all terms and conditions. If you don't have a Xiaomi account, then you are required to create one. Once you're done, log in using your Xiaomi account. Choose Add Device to add your Mijia Mop Pro. Then, allow the app to know your GPS location and to manage phone calls. Turn on your Bluetooth to find nearby Xiaomi devices. If the app couldn't detect your robot, you can select it manually from a list of all Xiaomi Home devices. Then, follow instructions displayed on your mobile device screen and confirm operation. Finally, click Next. Choose which Wi-Fi network do you want to be connected to your robot and provide the password. Once you've input the password, the robot will be connected to your smartphone. At this step, you can give your robot a name and you choose which room you would like to assign the robot. When you're done with both, you can now control your robot via the app. Dampen the mopping pad and wring out excess water. Slide the pad all the way into the slot of the water tank until it is securely in place. Next, open the water tank lid and fill the tank with water. Once filled, securely close the lid. Certain type of floor cleaners or disinfectants may clog the tank filter. Please use only clean filter water or approved cleaning solution only. Align the mapping module with your robot, then slide it back into the vacuum until it clicks into place. Once the power indicator of the vacuum mop changes from pulsing white to solid white, it is fully charged. Press the button on the robot, or you can use the Mi Home app to start cleaning. After vacuum mop finishes and returns to the charging dock, press the side clips of the mopping module inward and pull to remove the module. Open the vacuum mop cover, pinch the bin clips to remove the dustbin. Weekly cleaning recommended. To wash filter, open the bin cover, add clean water to the dustbin, and close the bin cover and shake the bin back and forth and pour out the water. Repeat steps until the filter is clean. Bi-weekly cleaning is recommended. Flip the vacuum mop over, then gently pull out the side brush to clean it. Clean monthly and replace every 3 to 6 months. Pull the mop pad off the mopping module to remove and clean it and let it dry. Recommended to clean after each use. Use a soft cloth and clean all the sensor and body of the vacuum mop if needed. Here are some precautions you must know. A robot mop has a lot of electrical parts inside, so don't submerge it in water. If it needs cleaning, simply use a damp cloth to wipe out the robot surface and you're done. Your robot mop is for indoor use and on hard surface floors only, so you should not bring it outdoors. Do not use this device to pick up large trash, bleach, paint, or other chemicals. More importantly, you shouldn't use it to pick up anything that is burning or smoking. Before starting your robot, you have to remove fragile objects from the cleaning area, including objects on the furniture that may fall if the furniture is pushed or bumped. You have to move any power cords as well as cords for blinds and curtains out of the way to reduce the risk of objects being pulled down. Your robot is not a toy, so do not sit or stand on it. Parents should supervise their kids and pets when the robot is running. Alright, it is the end of the video. If you have any questions to ask, kindly contact our customer service or drop your message on our website. We are always welcoming you. Thank you for watching and bye!